Hello? Can you hear me, Nicole? You can put EOS through now.
Okay. Right, little one. Off you go then. Done. Bangbu's on the way.
Well then. Can we begin?
We need to calibrate the holo data before starting the rescue. Let's look for a Bangbu workbench nearby. This is it. Let's start connecting.
Visible space successfully loaded. Objective: collect holo observation data.
The data's hidden around here. Let's move. Careful, don't fall into the data abyss. Based on my experience, just follow the signposts. Yeah. Oh, these stubby little legs. I didn't expect to jump so high with Eos's little legs.
You are approaching the observation data.
Voila! Ugh, it's so hard to control this body. Guess we have to start over now. The cunning hairs might be on the other side of the fissure. Let's go investigate.
great my ammo's depleting, I can say goodbye to my efficiency bonus.
Incoming, get ready.
Wait, that wasn't me!
Hey guys, over here!
Good work, all.
It's a scarf-wearing talking bamboo.
Oh! You're Phaethon!
I can't hear that superior ethereal anymore.
Great! I feel like my leg's pistons are gonna break.
I propose now is a good time to take a break. Is that acceptable, Proxy? You all get some rest. I'll take the first watch. Thanks, Proxy.
Whew! That was dangerous. It's crazy what a powerful monster that Red Fang dude mutated into. It's all thanks to you, Manager. You got us out of there in the nick of time. As expected from Phaethon, reliable as always.
A few more compliments like that, and I might just give you a discount. Really?
I think the Proxy was just trying to be polite, Ambi.
Speaking of the commission fee, I thought with Phaethon being so expensive, Nicole would have left us to fend for ourselves. I didn't think she'd actually hire you. If you hadn't come, I'm afraid we wouldn't have made it out of that ethereal's territory. Thanks for coming to the rescue.
Speaking of which, I've always wanted to ask you about that device in your store. You know, the one that lets you sync with Bangbu and communicate in real time within Hollow. That's some serious tech! Even public security and the Hollow Investigative Association can't do it. With a trump card like that, why didn't you just join the association? Whatever way you look at it, working with us Hollow Raiders has to be more dangerous than the profit is worth.
About that... Billy is right. Due to the unique nature of the Hollows, traditional communication signals are unable to transmit to the outside. A challenge all Hollow exploration agencies have yet to solve. But our specialized equipment, the HDD, uses smart lenses implanted in me and my brother's eyes to allow communication within the Hollows. It's something we inherited from a certain place, but revealing where we come from would only put us at risk. My brother and I still have something we need to do, and to achieve that goal, we need to venture deep into the Hollows. The identity checks by official agencies were too strict, so we had to start out as proxies. We're working hard to get some money and intel together. In the past, the authorities turned a blind eye when it came to proxies, but it's been getting tougher lately. That sounds like an ethereal.
Ugh, so soon? I only just sat down.
We have to get out of here. Unless, Billy, you'd like to stay here forever? That new Starlight Night belt you wanted. I guess I'll place it at your grave next year.
When you say things like that with that poker face of yours, I can't tell if you're joking or not.
Let's get moving. Follow me. Leave any combat along the way to us.
You just focus on leading the way. Of course, it'd be nice if you lend a hand if battles get a little too intense.
The exit is just ahead. Follow me.
Finally! We can get out of here!
There's still enemies nearby. Don't let your guard down.
Leave it to Billy! Ambi, I'll cover you!
Copy that.
In my sight! Billy time!
My turn. Ethereal. Be gone! Watch out.
Leave it to Billy! E-Ray! Stay focused!
Keep it up. We're almost there. I'm fine, but Billy's wallet might be crying.
I've got goosebumps. It's so powerful!
Can you even get goosebumps, Billy?
It's a metaphor, all right. Let's just focus on the enemies. You rang?
Copy that. Target confirmed. Go. Neutralize.
Quit moving! Billy time! Starlight, shine bright! Manager, which way should we go?
We keep moving forward.
Keep moving forward. Roger that. Wait! Forward? But that's a wall in front of us! Smash it? You want to smash through it? I don't have that kind of firepower right now!
Don't worry. Just do what my sister says.
That voice... Oh! It's the other Phaeton!
You're finally online. Took your time.
Apologies. I was confirming the hollow exit was stable. Billy, Anby, can you hear me? My sister was right about the escape route just now. You know, space inside the hollows is totally distorted. That means that...
A way out may look like a dead end, but a dead end may also just be a dead end.
Thanks for the explanation, Anby.
Anyways, our escape route after getting out has been arranged. You can trust us. Hey, Belle, you can cut the connection now.
See you at the store. Good luck, you two.
It's gone quiet. It became a regular bang boo.
Why would they desync at a time like this?
Going straight forward. Brace for impact.
We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash!
The oppressive weight of ether is gone.
We're out! We're finally out!
Faithin got the time and location spot on. Hey, you two! Get in the car!
Boss!
You're here! Perfect timing!
That was fast, Nicole. Did you run a red light again?
No, we just passed a normal green light, R255 in the RGB scale. Oh right, I made sure I wasn't followed the whole way.
Anby, what does an R255 green light look like?
It's the same color as your jacket.
Nicole, they've both been extracted. I guess it's time to pay up.
Not so fast. That's not what we agreed on. The commission was my people and the client's item. You've only completed the first half.
Don't worry, Nicole. We remember. It's just a joke.
I knew Faithin was the most reliable and trustworthy.
According to what we saw before extraction, the strongbox should be in the territory of a highly dangerous ethereal. The White Star Institute has it registered as Dullahan, a superior ethereal.
That's the one. That Red Fang dude was unlucky. His ether corruption must have been pretty intense, considering he's become such a dangerous ethereal. Anby and I tried to grab the strongbox, but that guy was so tough! We didn't get the chance before we got extracted. We did find this along the way, though. What exactly is in that box? Is it worth all this effort?
We'll find out soon enough. Take a look at this.
So, it's a weird-looking necklace that's actually a flash drive?
That's right. It's a mini storage device. It's Silver's. I picked it up in the building before I got out of 14th Street. I noticed it before. He always had it on his person, so it must contain something important.
I bet it has something to do with the strongbox.
But it suffered some damage.
Yeah, look at all those burn marks.
Faithin, can you do some of your magic using that complicated computer of yours?
The HDD is mainly used to process holo data. But if we only need to export what's in the flash drive... Hey, sis. Maybe I could try to recover the data with Internaut's computing power.
Great! It's a deal then. We'll try to locate the strongbox in the holo. We'll come find you when we learn something new. Let's just go our separate ways until then. Oh, don't forget to extract the data from the flash drive, though.
See ya, manager.
Goodbye.